Hi guys, it's Joy from your AI Wizards, and I did something cool this morning. I got up really early and I had a bunch of work to do. And I am one of the people that tinker and build their website all the time. And it seems like every week, every day, I'm changing something. So I realized because I was watching a video that I didn't have an FAQ page on my website, Your AI Business Store. So this is what I wanted to show you today is what I created with ChatGPT. So my prompt was I'm creating an FAQ page on your AI Business Store website. What questions and answers should I have on this website page? That's it. But because I've had an ongoing conversation with ChatGPT over your AI business store for the last several months, that's all the prompt I needed to put. And this is what I got back. Is this unbelievable? General information. What is your AI business store? How does it work? Products and services. Outlines what I offer and the services I provide. Payment and pricing. How much do my packages cost? Ordering and delivery. How does it work? How do you get the content that I offer? Support and contact. All I had to do was put in email to reach out if you needed support. Special offers. Do I offer them? Security and privacy. This was done for me. I copied it, pasted it, put it in my website page, read through it, changed a couple of things, but I added a new page to my website it literally in less than 15 minutes. So if you are one of those people that tinkers with their website all the time, make sure you use ChatGPT because it remembers every conversation that you've had about topics. So you don't have to write a long prompt. You can just put in a short prompt. It can pull from its memory, and this is the result that you get. All right, that's my tip for the day.